Hello everyone, we are Team AI Avengers and this is the AI Disaster Management System. Here's the problem. When disaster strikes, response teams lose critical time just switching between tools. On one hand, news and social media alerts, and on the other, official feeds. Impact assessments are done manually, resources planned on a spreadsheet, and communications happening over calls or texts. Our system fixes that. It's a set of AI agents that turns scattered disaster signals into one coordinated response. Severity, priority, resources, safe zones, and instant alerts, all in one dashboard. The three primary agents that we built are a monitoring agent that validates whether a signal is a real disaster or just noise, a damage assessment agent that turns into severity and population impact, a resource allocation agent that converts the impact into real dispatch numbers like ambulances, fire units, relief units. Let's look at the system architecture. So each and every arrow you see here is a real API call, not a mockup. And what we have used is an Open AI Response API, and we have used OpenAI model for reasoning, and we have used Codex assisted engineering or Codex for all our coding.
This is our AI disaster management dashboard where we can detect the disaster happening into particular regions. And here we have autonomous mode as well as manual mode. Right now we are in manual mode. So I'll click on the discover disaster button. Then it will set the region context on which we are searching. Then it will start monitoring the sources, which are the disaster feeds. And then LLM will do the discovery, which is the OpenAI GPT model. And then as soon as it gets the information about from the trusted sources, damage assessment agent will pick up and do the assessment. Then the resource allocation agent will do the resource allocation, which will be like assigning the ambulance, doctor team, relief team, fire units, and medical kits. And then the response execution will be the notification to the on-ground disaster management team. So the discovery is completed. And now you see there are three incidents detected, and they are critical events. So it's a flood warning. Um, and you see here, there are three ambulances are required to manage it. It assess the situation. There are three doctors which are required. Impacted people are 6,300. There are four relief teams are required, and 667 medical kits are required. It also gives the civilian advisory. What are the safe zones where civilians can go, and what all relief camp places are there. And also it is showing you in the map satellite location where the disaster affected area is. And what all time, what actions are taken up is the list here. So these are all different disaster situations which are discovered by the multi-agentic system. Now I'll show you how things work in autonomous mode, where you don't need to click, you don't need to discover. This agentic system will work in autonomous mode itself. It detects the situation in the selected region, and then it will start taking the precautionary steps. It will do assessment, it will do the resource allocation, everything in an autonomous mode. So, and this all data is live data. It's not a simulated data or test data. This is all we are fetching using the LLM. We are fetching through the live sources. I move to autonomous mode, and you can see there is a discovery started, and the discovery was started, and there are like high critical flood warning was displayed here with the alarm. So as soon as the critical high alert is discovered, alarm will be displaying, or there will be a siren. There is a siren also attached to it, and then it will grab the attention of the person who is monitoring this dashboard. So if we click on it, we can directly go to the place where you can see here more details about the uh, flood alert. And so this is how this AI disaster management system works in autonomous mode, where it it helps disaster management team, discovery team, resourcing team, and the people on ground, as well as the people who are affected by the disaster situation end to end in a very fast manner. The response time, the precautions, the calculation of how much resources you need to manage it identifies and gives you a detailed view of it, so that you can manage the disaster situation very well, and the common people who are affected with this get relief, instantaneously relief.
Thank you, Deepak. Hello, everyone. Designed as a scalable, this platform can expand across the regions. We can integrate new disaster types and advanced data sources, such as satellites, drones, and IoT sensors. Its future capabilities include impact forecasting, evacuation planning, multi-agency coordination, and personalized region guidance. Our vision is to create a safer, more resilient world where AI helps protect lives, reduce disaster impact, and enable informed actions before, during, and after every emergency. Thank you.